Team meetings provide valuable opportunities for connection, collaboration, planning, and innovation. But with a number of personalities involved, how do you keep your team meetings on track to make the most of your time together? The key is paying attention to derailing behaviors of talkers and multitaskers. Some people love to talk and often derail meetings by oversharing and straying off topic. One way to mitigate this is to allocate social time at the beginning of the meeting. Allow 5 to 10 minutes for conversation and connection. Then let attendees know that the rest of the meeting will be dedicated to the assigned topic. Another common derailer is the multitasking team member. You've seen them nodding along, but their attention keeps darting back to their computer or phone. And when called on, they need questions repeated before responding. It's likely not their intention to be rude or cost the meeting extra time. So a great way to handle this is to establish ground rules up front that require their undivided attention during your time together. Thanks for watching. For more tips and resources to help you turn potential into performance, visit situational.com.